Huh? See? You're short enough.
Listen, put your mouth over there, girl.
What?
Go to my bit like that. That's my bit.
Okay then, Miss Skirt.
I forgot that. Oh, I so forgot that.
Where's your child?
You're sleeping.
Oh, so like, where's your child? He's sleeping? I know, I seen him walk by with his father. Yeah, she would still be too if something didn't wake her up.
I'd be sleeping on my daddy too if I didn't like him.
I just thought of that. I think I know what you were thinking of.
I'm pretty sure you both are thinking the same thing I'm thinking.
Exactly. First thing I thought of, I was like, oh, wow, awesome. Frozen? Too cold, so you're not getting your sweatshirt back? You're probably gonna cut your hair.
You guys know
Who says that? I'm saying, I don't.
well, you say, oh, I'm at work, oh, I'm leaving work.
It's only in the morning. It's only in the morning.
They do.
3 or 4 times a day. That's gross. Can't feel my legs.
You should Facebook that.
Can't feel my legs.
Damn, you're looking at all that smoke. Look at all that fucking smoke. Look at all that smoke, dude. It's nuts.
Every time I'm here, it's like 10 people.